You should have already guessed it, we're at EMO 2021 in Milan. We have bumped into Leigh from Fastems. Leigh, great to see you. Why are you here?
Wonderful to see you, Colin. Yeah, so Fastems are here supporting our partners, visiting our customers, which is really important.
And how are things going for them and for yourselves?
Well, the UK is an interesting market. It's certainly awakening. We're finding more opportunities coming direct to us now,
Brilliant.
as opposed through partners, but it's really quite an interesting marketplace.
I think it is, because I don't think UK has embraced automation enough yet.
Yeah, you're right. I think that with new machine tools, you're finding that maybe 10, 20, 30% are having automation bolted on, but it's the tens of thousands of existing machine tools that we're really excited about.
Yeah, so you need to be getting in and retrofitting those systems.
Yeah, existing machine tool automation is really at the core of what we're doing.
Okay, but it's not just automation, it's the software and all the systems behind that as well is what you're providing.
Yeah, digital manufacturing is really at the centre of Fastems. It's our unique offering. MMS will be launched at MMS 8 later this year, so some exciting developments there as well.
Right, so you have got an exclusive for us. Is that it?
That's not the exclusive.
Go on, and I haven't heard this. I haven't heard this yet, so be prepared to be amazed.
Okay, so this is a world first.
Right.
So Fastems have noticed a marketplace that we needed to support our customers with. It's on the smaller pallet sizes for single machines.
Right.
So in the autumn of this year, we will be launching a new product for single machine tools, new machine tools, existing machine tools.
Yep.
And it's on MTD CNC within the next couple of days, I believe.
Absolutely will be. So just to reiterate, people might be thinking Fastems are big pallets and lots of machines. Not the case. Single machine, automated system.
But still with agility and flexibility, which is really our unique point.
Brilliant, absolutely fantastic. That's great news. So you find out more on our website. Leigh, great to see you at EMO 2021. Have a great show. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Colin.